In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn around $50 to $100 per day just selling a product on Facebook Marketplace. So please watch this video till the end so that you won't be missing any of the step. And it's quite easy, and I'll give you real-time examples where to find a product and where to get or where you can sell this product. Okay, please stay tuned. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MakeDirect by Soppari, helping you to make money online. So before jumping into the video, okay, you can find in any video when you visit the description, okay, you would be finding a link called MakeDirect by Soppari. Start working from home today without any experience, tech skills and a product knowledge. So here you would be finding a course where you can even earn more money through online. So the strategies what I'm showing in my videos, apart from these strategies, you would be having in-depth strategies over here. So if you are interested, then you can get this for only $1 for 30 days. Then after, if you are interested, then you can get it for $35 for lifelong. Okay, so let's jump into the video now. Here we are going to work on 3 different platforms. Okay, one platform is to get a product is nothing but an ebook. Okay, it is an ebook and we are going to sell that ebook, and I'll reveal all the websites. But before that, okay, I'll show you the website first. One is called idplr.com. okay, idplr.com, and the second website is payhip.com. okay, payhip.com. Payhip.com is nothing but where you can create a sales page. Okay, here you can create a sales page, and here idplr you can download a free ebook. So how to download a free ebook and how to create an free sales page? For this purpose, you need to watch a video called how to start a business on Instagram 2020. okay, here in my video section you would be finding a video. Okay, go there and watch this video complete till the end, and here is one of the best strategy I have shared. Okay, after watching this video you would be finding here how to download what we say ebook for free on idplr, and other one is how to create an account on payhip, like the same sales page. See, I'm selling this for $1. okay, everything is explained in this video. Okay, go watch this video before coming and going across the complete video of what I'm saying here now. So, how to start a business on Instagram 2020. This is the video you need to watch before you work on Facebook Marketplace. So once you have completed with this, and once you have downloaded your ebook and created a sales page, now the story begins. Here you need to visit your Facebook account and find for Marketplace. See, here you would be finding this option called Marketplace. Click on this, and the next thing you need to do is click on sell something. So I would be clicking on sell something. It's taking some time, so let's wait for that. And I would be selling an item for sale. So click on item for sale, and here what we are selling. So I've clearly explained how to create this sales page in this video, how to start a business on Instagram 2020. Go watch this video and you can create this same sales page for free. Okay, there is nothing they would be costing. You can create this sales page for free, and you can sell them for $1. So you can watch this video. Okay, so the next step what we would be doing is I would be copying the same what I mentioned over here. Why? Because we are selling this ebook. So the ketogenic diet. So people all over in the world is following this keto diet. That's the reason I'm selling this beginner's guide for free, and the price would be $1. So I'm in India, so I would be selling it for 75 rupees. Okay, and category you need to select health and beauty, health and beauty in stock. So coming to description, I mentioned some description here. You can copy paste the same, or else you can create your own description. Okay, this is the description. An image you would be getting here in IDPLR. Just go to products. I've shown there like how to find the masterpiece also. You can go check with the previous video, and you can easily download this free ebook. Okay, this free ebook you can download it for free. So once you have downloaded, you need to copy this image and paste it in marketplace here. So I already downloaded it. I'm going to paste it over here, and I would be clicking on next. So I would be mentioning it in all my groups where I've joined. So I'm from India. That's the reason I'm getting local marketplaces. So if you can follow this all around the world, people all around the world can follow the same strategy and click on publish. So I've got an notification stating that healthcare products are not allowed right now to place it on marketplace. So the alternate thing what I would be doing is like I would be selecting books, and I'll show you now. So I would be selling another, I would be creating another item what we are going to sell. So copy the same thing what I've done before. And one more thing, like after you create this link, okay, you need to shorten the link. Why? Because once you start receiving like what we say orders on Facebook, like once you started receiving responses on Facebook, you can directly send a shortened link. Where you would be getting the shortened link is on Bitly. So copy and paste the link what you have generated on Payhip and shorten the link, copy that link, and directly send them to the people who responded to your post. So on category, please select books, movies, and music. So let's see whether we have ebook option or not. So we are not having an ebook option. It's better to select books, music and movies. And here I would be copying the same description. So Facebook is not allowing us to post the items related to healthcare. So please be aware. And here I would be pasting the same thing. Click on next and publish over here. And my ebook on Facebook Marketplace is live now. So to generate this ebook, I'll put the video in the description. Okay, the previous video what I've told you, how to start a business on Instagram 2020, make money online. I'll put this link in the description. You can please watch this video. Why? Because this video would also be helping you a lot in marketing strategies. So this is how we need to create our own platform on marketplace. So once you start getting responses, okay, what you need to do is you need to copy this link. Okay, after you generate an link on Payhip, copy this link, visit bit.ly.com, and here paste that link, click on shorten, and you would be getting a shorten link here. See, so copy this link and share it with your responses. So you would be start getting responses here on Facebook. So once you start getting responses, share the shortened link. So if people who are interested, they would be buying it for $1. So this is how we can generate easy money by not spending even $1 on your own strategies. So if you like this video, guys, please hit the thumbs up and share this video with your friends also. Why? Because it motivates me to create a lot more videos on how to make money online. So if you're new to this channel, then do please subscribe. Why? Because you won't be missing next notification from my end. So guys, have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.